Hello students, I am Professor Sweety Patel, Faculty of Ahmedabad Institute of Technology, Computer and IT Department. Subject Advanced Java Technology. In today's session, I am going to cover JSP custom tags. Now custom tags are basically user-defined tag which are going to be used in JSP file to display the business logic, and for doing any custom tag example we need to create three files: Java file, TLD file and JSP file. Now in this example we are going to create a custom tag that prints the current date and time. So let's see the example. Here we are having a Java file named mytag.java. In that we have a package com.ait. Inside that we have created a class mytag which extends the tag support class which is present in javax.servlet.js.tagx.tag support. Now here this is do start tag method is inbuilt method of the tag support class which again we are going to use to have a business logic inside that, and it will be displayed when our first tag is going to be called. Here we are throwing the JSP exception. If any exception occurs, then it will throw the exception. Now we have a JSP writer class to print the output on the browser. Now here in the try catch block we have written our logic which we want to print when we are going to use a custom tag. Now here out.println, then the calendar class dot get instance dot get time. So this will print the current date and time using JSP writer class which the object we have created out object. Now next file we will see, that is a TLD file. The TLD file we have named it as a mytags.tld. Here this is a XML file where you can define these XML tags, and the core tag is our taglib open and taglib close, where we have to mention the version of the TLD file and the JSP version. Now here you can see we have the URI from where we are going to use a tag library, and the short name we have given simple. Now here we have another tag whose name is today, and this name we are going to use in our JSP file, and we have to mention which Java file business logic we are going to call. So it is com.ait.mytag. Now from where it came? Here previously we have created the class in the package com.ait and the class name is mytag. So we have to mention a tag class over here, and we are going to refer this tag class by using the tag name today. So now we are going to use this today in our JSP file. So here we have a index.jsp file, and we are going to run this file, and we have to mention very first step is the tag library which we are going to use in it. So that displaying the tag library is taglib, then URI we have to mention, and then prefix. Now what is this URI? Uniform Resource Identifier, which is the address of our TLD file where we have kept it. So generally the TLD file we have to keep inside the web.inf folder of the web pages folder. So the name of our TLD file is mytags. So you can see over here we have created mytags.tld, and the location of the mytags.tld is web.inf. So we have to mention whole folder structure. If suppose this TLD file you have kept inside some another folder, then we have to give that folder name as well. Now we want to use our own tag, our custom tag which we have created. Okay, so what was the name? Today. Here you can see the name we have given is today. You can give any name according to your choice, and that name you have to use over here. Now what is this T? This is our prefix. So prefix also, it is your choice, whatever name you want to give you can give, and then the name of the tag we have given. So what will happen over here, it will display current date and time is, but what after that, what we have written inside this today, again we will see. In the today we are bind it with what, our Java file, that is my tag Java file, and it will go there, and inside the do start tag method it will go and it will do the business logic we have provided, that is it will print out is our JSP writer object, and it is going to print the current date and time. Now we will see another example in which you can understand that we can also provide the attributes in the custom tags. So here also we are going to create one Java file, and we have named it as a calcube.java. Then again same, extends tag support. Inside that we have taken one variable, integer variable number, and over here we have one method set number, and we are going to set this number over here. Again we have do start tag method which will be called in the JSP file. So same as previous JSP writer class object we are creating, then here it's our business logic. What we are going to do, we are going to print the cube of the numbers. So outdoor println the numbers we are going to print, and now these numbers we are going to use as an attribute, and we are going to set this attribute value. Okay, so now let's see where to set this attribute value. We have our file mytags.tld. In that taglib, again it's our root tag. Inside that tlib version, JSP version, then short name you want to provide, whatever name you can give, it's fine. And then over here just have a look in the tag tab, we have a name cube which we are going to use in our JSP file, and this is our tag class name, means our Java file name. What we have given, again see, we have given calcube. So and it is not inside any package, so do not give any package, it is only a calcube. So here we have mentioned calcube. Now inside that tag only we have attribute. Attribute tag is used to provide the variable for the Java. So you have to mention the name of attribute, which in our case number. Okay, see here we have number, then we have to provide the value, like required is a tag which is going to set this value as required true. Then now how to use this variable and how to call this method inside the JSP. So let's see. Now we are going to have a JSP file. Now this file we are going to run. Again, if you want to use any custom tag, we have to use taglib. So taglib, again URI, then prefix. Here wherever you have stored your TLD file, open it, give the name proper, then prefix. Again you can give any name to the prefix. Here we have given A, so use A every time when you want to use the tags provided in mytags.tld. So here A colon cube. Now what is this? This is our custom tag. The name of the tag is cube. So again let's see whether it is cube or not. It's cube. Okay, so now this cube name, tag name, is going to refer to this cubecal class, and it will go to the cubecal class, and then it is going to use do start method where we have display our business logic, where we are going to cube the numbers, and this number value we will get from, now we have bind this number over here and we will get that value from here. So the variable attribute name is same as the name we have provided over here, number, and this is also the same as our variable name inside a Java file. So students, this is about calling the custom tag in the JSP file So as we have the standard tags like core tag library, XML tag library, formatting tag library, SQL tag library, you can also have your own tag, and you can have any business logic you want, so that you can directly call that tag and it is reusable. Means you can call this tag anywhere in the JSP file you want. So that's okay for today, students. Thank you and happy learning.